Hey everyone, welcome back to Riley's Psych Corner. Today, we're diving into one of the most influential self-help books of all time, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. If you want to improve your relationships, boost your social skills, and become more persuasive, stick around. First things first, how do you handle people effectively? Carnegie lays out 3 golden rules. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Nobody likes being criticized. Instead of pointing out flaws, try understanding the person's perspective. Give honest and sincere appreciation. A simple thank you or compliment can go a long way. Arouse in the other person an eager want. Instead of pushing your own desires, show them how your idea benefits them. People love to feel valued. Want to be more likable? Carnegie shares 6 powerful strategies. Become genuinely interested in other people. Ask about their hobbies, family, and interests. Smile. A genuine smile is one of the best social tools. Remember people's names. Our names are music to our ears. Be a good listener. Let others talk about themselves. People love it. Talk in terms of their interests. If they love movies, talk about movies. Make them feel important and mean it. Everyone wants to feel valued. Be interested, not just interesting. Now let's talk about persuasion. How to get people to see things your way. Avoid arguments. The best way to win? Don't argue in the first place. Show respect for others' opinions. Never say, "You're wrong." It puts people on the defensive. If you're wrong, admit it quickly. Owning up to mistakes earns respect. Start in a friendly way. Positivity opens doors. Let the other person do most of the talking. Listen more, talk less. Let them think your idea is theirs. People support ideas they feel ownership over. Try to see things from their perspective. Empathy makes a huge difference. Understand before trying to be understood. Finally, if you want to lead people, you have to inspire, not command. Here's how. Start with praise. People respond better when you begin with positivity. Call attention to mistakes indirectly. Instead of saying you did this wrong, try have you considered trying this instead? Talk about your own mistakes first. It makes you relatable. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. People like choices, not demands. Let the other person save face. Never embarrass anyone. Encourage even small improvements. Praise builds confidence. Give them a reputation to live up to. Tell them they're responsible and reliable and they'll strive to be. Lead with encouragement, not criticism. So that's how to win friends and influence people in a nutshell. These principles may seem simple, but they're life-changing when applied. Try them out and see how your relationships improve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more psychology tips. Let me know in the comments which principle you're going to try first. See you in the next video. Riley's Psych Corner, making psychology practical.